Number 4, perform and simplify the answer if possible. So look at A first. So this case, if you need the factoring if it is available. So if you do it, then this becomes 3 over x squared and then x minus 3 times x squared over 9 here. Now you try to find common factor between numerator part and denominator and you simplify. So x squared and the x squared is gone, and 3 and 9 you can simplify as 1 and 3 here. Therefore, the answer becomes 1 over 3 x minus 3. That is the answer for letter A. Okay, then let's move on. Letter B here. So letter B, we are doing dividing. So before we do that, we need to make a factoring for all each expression. Okay? So the first one, so 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. So we move this one to here, then become x squared minus 5x minus 24 and a equal to 2. Then this become x minus 8 and then x plus 3 and divide by 2. Then this become x minus 4 and then 2x plus 3. Okay, so denominator 1, so 4x squared. Actually, I'm writing different colors so you can see a little better. So 4x squared plus 8x plus 3. So you multiply them, they become x squared plus 8x plus 12. So a equals 4. Then this become x plus 6 and x plus 2. And don't forget, divide by 4 both sides. Then this become, you can actually simplify. This become 3 and 2 and then 1 and 2 here. So 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Now third one, so this part, so x squared minus 16, which means x plus 4 and x minus 4. And then the last one, which is this one, so 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. So you multiply that, then become x squared plus 7x plus 6 and a equals 2. Then x plus 6, x plus 1, and don't forget divide by 2. Then this become x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Okay, so I'm gonna combine all this into the expression part. Then this is going to be, so x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 1 multiply or divide x plus 4 and x minus 4 over then x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Because it is division, so we can make multiplication. So I'm going to make more space for this problem, and this becomes x minus 4 and 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 multiply x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 over x plus 4 and x minus 4. Now you cancel out all these common factor between the numerator part and denominator. Then this is gone, and this is gone, and this is gone. Okay, therefore, the answer is x plus 3 over x plus 4. Okay, now let us see. Now this time we are subtracting this to rational expression. So same thing, you need to factoring denominators so that you can find the common denominator. So this become t plus 1 over t and t minus p minus 1 minus p over p and then p minus t. Okay. Now, please look carefully. E has t minus p. E has p minus t. So they are exactly same factor, but opposite. So in this case, you can multiply negative 1 in this factor. Then this is going to be t plus 1 over t minus p, and then plus 1 minus p over p t minus p. Okay? Then LCD becomes t p t minus p. Therefore, you need to multiply p here, you multiply t here. Of course, you multiply p and then t here. Then this is going to be pt plus p plus t minus pt over tp and t minus p. So, as you see, these two cancelled out. Therefore, p plus t over tp and t minus p. Since p plus t, t minus p, they are not opposite. So, that is the answer. Okay? So, letter D here. Yeah, so this is the hard question. But before we doing, also finding common denominator, we need to factor in for each expression. So, x squared plus 8x minus 20. So, become x plus 10 and x minus 2. The second one, x squared plus 6x minus 16, which is x plus 8, x minus 2. Third one, x squared minus 6x minus 40, which is x minus 10, and then x plus 4, and then the last one, which is x squared minus 3x minus 40, so become x minus 8 and then x plus 5. So using those factoring form into the each expression, then this is going to be x plus 10, x minus 2 over x minus 10, x plus 4 over x plus 8, x minus 2 over x minus 8, and x plus 5. Okay, so there are many different ways to solve this problem, but I will use LCD method. So LCD, since all factors are different, so become x minus 10, x plus 4, x minus 8, x plus 5, and multiply this each fraction. Okay, then this is going to be x minus 10, x plus 4, x minus 8, x plus 5 times x plus 10, x minus 2 over x minus 10, x plus 4 over the same thing, x minus 10, x plus 4, x minus 8, x plus 5 times x plus 8, x minus 2, x minus 8, x plus 5. Therefore, you simplify, then the answer becomes x minus 8, x plus 5, x plus 10, x minus 2 over x minus 10, x plus 4, x plus 8, x minus 2. Fortunately, we found another common factor. This canceled out. So final answer becomes x minus 8, x plus 5, x plus 10 over x minus 10, x plus 4, and x plus 8. That is our final answer.